Now, AAP leader Atishi has shared updates on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's health and said that he has lost 7 kgs of weight, and this sudden weight loss is a matter of concern for doctors. She claims that despite being out of custody and under medical supervision, CM Kejriwal has not been able to regain that weight. Early tests have indicated that his ketone levels are extremely high. Atishi reasoned that unexplained sudden weight loss along with high ketone levels could be the indicator of some serious medical ailments, including damage to the kidneys and even cancer. Let's in fact listen into what exactly she said.
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में याचिका दायर की है अपनी इंटरिम बेल को 1 हफ्ते से आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ईडी की कस्टडी में थे, जुडिशियल कस्टडी में थे, तो उनका 7 किलो वजन घटा था। जब वो बाहर भी आए हैं तो डॉक्टर्स की जांच के बाद इसका अभी कारण समझ में नहीं आया है, ना ही वो वजन फिर से उनका बढ़ा है। डॉक्टर्स ने जब टेस्ट कराए तो उनके कीटोन लेवल्स बहुत हाई निकले हैं। ये अनएक्सप्लेन्ड वेट लॉस, सडन वेट लॉस, कीटोन्स लेवल का हाई होना किसी सीरियस बीमारी का इंडिकेटर हो सकता है, जिसमें किडनी की सीरियस प्रॉब्लम्स, यहां तक कि कैंसर जैसी बीमारी भी हो सकती है। तो डॉक्टर ने सजेस्ट किया है, मैक्स के डॉक्टर्स ने मुख्यमंत्री के चेकअप किए थे और उन्होंने एक एक्सटेंसिव हेल्थ चेकअप के लिए सजेशन दिया है।
All right, so there you heard viewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, Atishi has shared an update on the health of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. She said that there's been sudden weight loss along with high ketone levels that could perhaps be an indicator towards serious medical conditions, including, and she's listed this out, damage to the kidneys or even cancer. Give our viewers a better understanding on this.
Yes, definitely, because in today's morning an update comes from the Aam Aadmi Party top sources that Arvind Kejriwal will knock the doors of Supreme Court where he'll demand an interim bail. And he is demanding that more 7 days to be given to Arvind Kejriwal so that he can stay out and he can go to medical examinations where we have what Atishi saying that, his ketone levels are very high. And also our sources have also been saying that doctors have examined him and the reports are very dangerous because Aam Aadmi Party, since the day Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, they have been saying that there is high sugar levels, and now they have been saying that there is an increase in ketone. Wherever the CT scan is required, RAT scans are required. That's why Arvind Kejriwal needs to stay out for more 7 days, and this is what they have been saying. And on this ground, they will knock the doors of Supreme Court, where they have said that an extension of 7 days must be provided to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Also adding to it, Atishi have been claiming, because as we remember that whenever they were trying to, get bail of CM Arvind Kejriwal, they have previously asked that the bail should be extended till June 5, because Arvind Kejriwal wants to, to witness the results of the Lok Sabha elections. But Supreme Court have granted him bail till June 1. But now Aam Aadmi Party have been saying that because Arvind Kejriwal's health is very alarming, since she have high ketone levels, so the so days would be extended till 7 days. It's back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.